Welcome to Riddoch at Home. My name's Lisa. Join me today for another school holidays workshop. For this workshop, we're going to be making felt wall hangers. To make our felt wall hangers, what we need is some felt in various sizes and colours, a wooden ruler or a nice piece of flat dowel wood, some string, a hot glue gun and glue stick. Just a reminder, depending on the age of the child doing the activity, we need adult supervision with scissors and especially with a hot glue gun. Our first step in making our wall hangings is to choose our felt colours that we're going to use for it, and then I'm going to start cutting them into different shapes. Now that I've cut my shapes out, I'm going to arrange them in a pattern that I think looks quite nice. The next step after I've arranged my pieces is to use a hot glue gun to put a strip of hot glue along the top of each layer. So I'll get started now. Our final step after we've glued together our masterpiece is to use our string and tie it onto our wood that we're using. So just using a few simple knots to secure it. So it should look something like that. Once I've knotted the string onto my wood, I'm just going to give the string a bit of a trim and use my hot glue gun to put glue all along the wood. And then I'm placing it firmly across the very top of my project, and then holding it firm while that sets. Here's my finished artwork. Keep in mind you can use other materials around the house like fabrics, scrap paper, like wrapping paper would look really cool for something like this. Thank you for joining me for another session of Riddoch at Home. Stay tuned for more to come.